Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to use Claude AI to repurpose a blog post in 5 formats. If you are using Claude AI and you want to use your Claude AI to repurpose a blog post into 5 different formats, so let's see how you can do that. You just have to simply open your browser, and in your browser just simply go ahead to search and search for Claude AI. Now, once you search, you have to simply open the first official website. You have to make sure that you are logged in or signed into your account. Now, in this section, you have to simply enter a prompt and then enter your blog post. So here I have a simple prompt. You can see I have a prompt. I have a blog post below. Repurpose it into 5 different content formats. Keep the core message consistent but adapt the writing style for each format. So here are different formats, and after this, the blog post at the heading. After this, you have to enter your blog post. You can also add a PDF file from here, or if you have text, so you can copy and paste your text here. So let me enter mine. So here I'm going to enter my blog post up in at a new line. I have pasted it here. So here's the topic of my blog post, which is 7 AI productivity hacks that save me hours every week. So it's just for an as example. You just have to simply click on this send or submit option and just wait for the magic. So here you can see it has checked and now it is giving me the results. Here are all 5 content formats repurposed from your blog post. So the very first we have here under the LinkedIn post. So here's LinkedIn post. So you just have to do it for this. Just scroll down. Is it Twitter or Thread? You can also get your result or your output as a PDF file. So once it's completed, you have to simply add it here, that convert it into a PDF file, and it will give you a PDF file of your project. So you just have to wait for some moment until it's complete. So finally it's done. Now if you want to get its PDF file, so you can also enter here that give me the output in a PDF file, and it will convert this all into a simple PDF file. You can easily download it. So in this way you can easily convert or repurpose your blog post into 5 or more different formats. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.